What's up guys, Sal here. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be launched in less than 24 hours of time, and the biggest surprise that Samsung has managed to keep a secret so far has been revealed. You see, for years, one of the biggest USPs of Google's Pixel phones is their strong software update schedule. As of today, Google offers 3 years of software updates and 5 years of security updates. But with the Galaxy S22, Samsung is all set to embarrass the creator and owner of Android by taking away Google's top dog status when it comes to software updates. A leaked official document from Evan Blass reveals that Samsung is increasing the duration of support for its devices. Samsung will now offer 4 generations of Android OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. This means the Galaxy S22 will be supported up to 2027 till Android 16. If you remember, just a few years ago, Samsung had a very bad rep when it comes to updates, and now they're literally unmatched in the Android world. By the way, Apple also provides 5 years of support for their iPhones, but with 5 software upgrades. So Samsung needs to increase the OS upgrades to 5 if they want to match the iPhones. But considering how Samsung has become so better in this field, I guess it's only a matter of time before this happens as well. Also, this would force other Android makers, including Google, to follow suit or left behind. And who knows, maybe a couple of years down the line, one of these Android OEMs may even surpass the update schedule of Apple. And yes, the Galaxy S22 series aren't the only devices that are getting this new update schedule. The S21 series, the Z Fold 3 and Flip 3, as well as the Tab S8 tablets will also get 4 years of OS upgrades with 5 years of security patches. Moving on, hands-on videos of the Galaxy S22 Ultra along with the other S22 handsets have been leaked. The video shows the blue, green, pink, and white version of the Galaxy S22 along with its camera module that is tweaked just a little bit compared to the S21. The Galaxy S22 Ultra can be seen in its black, burgundy red, and white avatars. We also get to see the S Pen in action, which now has a record 2.8 milliseconds of latency for the supernatural writing experience. Interestingly, we thought the burgundy red color would look similar to the mystic bronze of the Note 20 Ultra, but clearly that's not the case here. We also have some more official real-life beautiful photos of the S22 Ultra that show the handset in all its glory. In my opinion, the design of the Galaxy Note is by far the best in the whole mobile industry, and really cannot thank Samsung enough for bringing it back. We also have a hands-on video of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which shows its huge display, crazy thin form factor, and the notch, which honestly looks a little weird to see on a tablet. The video also shows how users can use the Tab S8 Ultra and the S22 Ultra together for content creation. The keyboard cover accessory can also be seen, and it looks like Samsung may have improved the multitasking experience on the tablet thanks to One UI 4.1 and Android 12. Of course, the Unpacked event will now take place in less than 20 hours of time, so do make sure to subscribe to keep up with all the new updates. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.